Apple has brought another big update for you. It's iOS 26 Beta 2. When you see this update, you are going to be pretty happy. It's a good update with quite a few changes, and those changes will be beneficial for you. Now, let's check the update size. The update size is around 2.5 to 3 gigabytes. If you are coming from iOS 20 to this update, there might be a slight difference, maybe a minor variation, but generally, you will see an update size of around 2.5 gigabytes, though it could be a bit less as well. Before updating, the iOS version on my iPhone was 26.0. It won't be something like 26.2, it will remain 26.0. This is the beta version that has come out, just to make it clear. Also, make sure you have enough free space available. Before updating, it showed 610.82 gigabytes out of 611 gigabytes, and this was in the build before the update. Before updating, it was 202.0, but after, it will still show iOS 26.0 here, just that the beta will become available. The free space here increased by over 4 gigabytes, a big improvement. After updating, you'll see a new build number, which ends with A. And with the update, a new mode 0300 has been added. So, let's see what's new in this update. The first change is in the control center. You are seeing the old control center, as this screenshot was taken in the screen's center, and I had also shown how to reduce its transparency to make it look like this. But it just doesn't have the same appeal as what you get in iOS 26 now, so Apple has made it better. The control center looks something like this. The gloss-like look is still retained, but contrast has been increased and transparency reduced a bit. Because of this, the control center now looks much better. You don't need to change any settings, just update to iOS 20 and you will get this new style of control center. I hope many people are happy seeing this change and are liking it. The same applies to the notification panel. Look here, if you check notifications, it's now much easier to read them. Reading notifications has become simpler. Earlier, inside Beta 1, everything was so transparent that you couldn't really make out anything. But now, by reducing the transparency, Apple themselves have quicked it and it's all fixed. Now let's go to the settings on our iPhone, and here we go to sound and haptics, then to ringtone. I usually keep the classic opening ringtone, but if you choose the reflection ringtone, you get two alternatives. One is the default one. Let me increase the volume so you can hear it properly. So this is the default, and now this one is its alternative. Honestly, I really like it. I'll keep it for now and see how it feels after using it for a few days. For those in my family who use iPhones, it'll be a bit different, the opening one and the reflection one for those who use it. I noticed Apple added a new widget. Where will you find this widget? Under Edit. There was an animation video for the opening as well. Check it out, it was different. Let me tap it once and show you. It looks good, its transparency reduced, and its blur background increased, making it clearer and much easier to read. This is really important. Anyway, let's go to Add Widget, and inside Add Widget, we need to go to Music. Inside the Music widget, we'll see a new widget. What is this new widget? The first widget you will see is Live Radio. So, if you like live radio in your music app, this will be useful. Now, the next change that has come is in your iPhone's settings. Here, you need to go to battery, and you'll notice that the look of the battery information has changed a bit. Right now, it's loading, it's taking some time, obviously because it's a beta version. If you look here, you'll see that it now appears in blue. When I check all battery, you'll see different colors. Where it's charging, it's green here, it's gray, and here, it's blue. So, in this way, Apple has made the use of different colors a bit more vibrant. If you use more battery, it will tell you on which day you used a lot of battery and on which day you didn't use much. You can see it here. Today, I discharged the battery to 100%, it will show you that. If you want to pay a little more attention to your phone's battery, then in the battery settings, when you go to power mode, you'll also see the option Hi Friends or Adaptive Low Power Mode. In low power mode, you'll get a bit more like reduced background activities, processing, display refresh rate, and brightness. Basically, it will temporarily reduce these to save battery. When your iPhone is in this mode, it will limit activity processing speed, display refresh rate, brightness, and some features like 5G. It will switch to 4G, turn off iCloud syncing, stop mail fetch, and there are a few other things your iPhone will disable to extend low and oily battery life. Apple has now mentioned all this information in much more detail than before. Now, let's go into the settings. In wallpaper, when we go to add new wallpaper, first it takes some time to load the wallpaper because, look, it's a beta version, so it'll run a bit slowly and there will be some issues. Now here are the features. There's weather, astronomy, emoji, color scope, Unity, Bright, iOS, and then there's collection. You'll find all the collection wallpapers in one place. If we want a new wallpaper, let's take this iOS one, add it, and then set it as the wallpaper. Now this wallpaper is set, and you will also see an effect here, which is for the iOS 20 Beta 2 wallpaper. In Beta 6, this was missing, but now it's back. If you move like this, the wallpaper will move along with it, so you will see it moving right from the screen. Now let's check out the Safari application. In the Safari app, if you tap on the three dots, you will see all tabs at the bottom. Earlier, it used to be at the top, but now if you want to see all your tabs, just tap here and you will see them like this. After that, the bottom part looks different. It has a kind of glassy look. You can pull it like this and switch between your different tabs. Your private browsing is here. The folder I created on your phone was just to demonstrate this feature. I made it on the iPhone back when this feature first came out. You can create any guide or move anything you want. If you tap on the left side, you'll notice it looks a bit different now. Here you get options to manage groups and select them. If you have a group, you can set it, delete it, or close it. Whatever you need to do, you can do it from here. Go to your phone's settings and then to cellular or mobile services, whichever is on your iPhone. If you have installed a SIM in your phone, I haven't installed an eSIM. I use a physical SIM, but if you have, you will see an option here to transfer the SIM, which you can use to transfer to an Android phone. Once you are inside your phone's settings, scroll down a bit and you will find the option for call waiting detection, meaning it will be able to detect it. If someone puts you on hold, you will get a notification letting you know it's time to pick up the call, so you can do that. The screen incoming call feature was there before as well, and you can still use it. If a call comes in, it will ask for your name and what you do, and it will tell you whether you can pick up the call. But this feature was already there before, the screen incoming calls detection. For people who use Apple Pay, this is available, but not in countries like India. So, the order tracking inside the wallet can be done through mail. You can track your orders via email. But for those who have always had it, in settings under accessibility, in display and text size, you will find the option to increase contrast. As soon as you do this, the increase contrast option was already there before. Here you will see that the contrast of all the buttons has also increased. If I show you this in dark mode, you'll notice it here as well. If you pull out this one line here and open Safari, you'll see it there too. This one line has come out and it's become like a sound border, so you can wear it, and now I'll turn it off. If you see here, it's not turning off, so that's a bug. We've just found this new thing here, so it's not turning off. If you try to access it and go into settings, you will find all this. It's a beta version. Obviously, when we go into settings, then into accessibility, and then into Excel, we turn off increase contrast. Now see, the border that was there has been removed from here.